Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage lock battery replacement not working, battery install and reset fix. Fix 1. Check battery orientation. Ensure all the 4 AA batteries are aligned with the correct positive and negative polarity as marked on the tray. Some models require the flat side of the battery to be pushed against the spring. Fix 2. Inspect the battery terminals. Then check for corrosion, debris, or plastic molding obstruction. And if you notice white or green crust on the metal springs, gently scrape it clean so a strong electrical connection can be made. Fix 3. Secure the battery connector. The battery tray connects to the lock via a small snap-on wire lead. Unplug it and snap it back into ensure a firm connection. Fix 4. Check the wiring harness. Remove the interior cover completely. Behind the battery pack, locate the white multi-pin connector that links the keypad to the circuit board and ensure it is pushed in firmly until it clicks. Fix 5. Perform a hard reset. Leave the batteries disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes to drain any residual power. Then reconnect the power source and hold the small, which is usually red, reset button on the back of the lock for about 10 seconds until it beeps or flashes. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.